Can you clarify? Sabi niyo kanina kay Senator Marcoleta, may order na kayo na tanggalin yung links.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, hindi sumusunod sa inyo. Do you have GCash?
Yes, Your Honor.
I-open nyo yung GCash yung ngayon. Nandiyan pa huli yung link. Be very clear here kasi hindi lokohan tong hearing na to eh. Diba? Sana sinabi yung kanina, sir, it took us time and everything but we're giving them 48 hours. Eh sinabi nyo hindi, you ordered them na eh. Pag binuksan mo ngayon, meron eh. Hindi po ba? Seryoso, pinag-uusapan natin eh. Lokohan ba to? So please sir, di ba, ano lang, konting pagiging forthright naman at konting ano tayo pag nag-uusap dito, di ba? Ang PAGCOR mahirapan sumagot kasi trabaho nila magnegosyo ng ano eh, ng gaming eh. That's why, di ba, we'll allow them to ano, but you get my point, sir. Okay, so 48 hours makakaasa kami na tanggal na lahat.
Yes, Your Honor.
Why do they need 48 hours? Isn't that instant naman? DICT, pag sinabi ko today, tanggalin nyo yan, hindi kaya ng technical ng mga e-wallets yun? So ano, balato muna, 2 more days?
With the permission of our Secretary, Mr.
Yeah,
Chair.
yes or no lang, sir?
Yes, it can be done right away, Mr. Chair.
Kayo nagre-regulate ng ano, e-wallets eh. Or sayang yung kita nung 2 days?
Your Honor, it's because of that reason to give them time to take them down, lahat sila, and also to give adequate or prompt information to the public. So,
Kailan mo magtatapos itong 48 hours?
it starts from today.
Kailangan po matatapos. Anong araw po yan?
That's 2 days of Saturday, Your Honor.
Sa Saturday. So sa Saturday, in-expect natin na committee na ito na wala ng games yan sa e-wallet na yan.
By end of
Sa Saturday.
Your Honor. Opo.
Anong oras po sa Saturday? Umaga, tanghali, gabi?
48 hours po, so we give them until the end of Saturday to remove.
End of the Saturday. So ibig sabihin, sige, pagbibigyan kita, Sunday morning, hindi ko na makita yung games sa mga e-wallets.
Opo, wala na.
Pag may nakita po ako, i-contempt kita. We are facing crisis, Mr. BSP, sir. And when you say, Saturday po, huling oras na Saturday, sige, pagbibigyan kita hanggang Sunday. Pag Sunday morning, meron pa pong mga games sa mga e-wallet, sir, i-contempt ka namin.
I would respectfully object, Mr. Chairman, to that statements made by Central Bank in saying that they need time 48 hours to take it down, while we heard from ASEC Paraiso a while ago that they can do it right away. I just don't get it, Mr. Chairman. Forgive me, Your Honors, my dear colleagues. It is not acceptable yung answer bakit kailangan ng 48 hours. We wanted to protect the public eh. Namamatay na nga yung mga tao eh. Numbers don't lie. These facts, these reports,